Hi, and welcome to Wild About Math with Kellett. Today we're doing 5.NBT.5, multiplying whole numbers. We're going to take a look at 4 different problems, multiplying 3 digits by 2 digits. Let's take a look at number 1. When you're multiplying 3 digits by 2 digits, the first thing you need to do is just ignore the digit right here, the digit in the tens place in your divisor. So right here, this 5 that I'm pointing at right here, we're going to ignore that 5. In fact, sometimes I cover it up with my finger or my hand. I just cover it up so that I can ignore it. And I'm going to multiply the 4 times the 8, and I'm going to get 32. Maybe the 3. Then I do 4 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 4 times 8 is 32. All right, now it's time to cross out that 4 because you're finished with it, and cross out that 3 because you're finished with it. Now we're going to take a look at that 5. That 5 is really in the tens place. So it's really you're multiplying by 50, not by 5. So we need to put a 0 here as a placeholder. I turn it into a smiley face because I'm almost done. So I'm going to make that 0 a smiley face. I'm almost done. Now I'm going to multiply by 5, which is really 50. That's why I have the 0 down here. 5 times 8 is 40. So put a 0 here and put a 4 up here. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 5 times 8 is 40. I'll put a 40 right here. Now you just add these two together. 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 0, 4, and nothing. All right, count back 3 spaces and put your comma. You have 43,632 for your answer. The most important thing to remember is that you have to have a 0 in your second column, second row of numbers. You need to have the 0 because you're not multiplying by 5, you're really multiplying by 50. Let's do this next number. We're going to ignore that 7 until we're done with the 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. All right, we're done with that 6, so I'm going to cross it out. We're done with the 3, I'm going to cross it out. Now we're really multiplying by 70, so I'm going to put a 0 here. I'm going to make it a smiley face because I'm almost done. 7 times 1, really 70 times 1, but 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18. All right, we're going to add these two together. You get a 6, a 13, an 8, a 9, and a 1. Count over 3 and put your comma. Your answer is 19,836. All right, let's take a look at number 3. In number 3, we're going to ignore the 9, which is really 90. And we're going to start with the 2, which is in the ones place. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Cross out that 2. Nothing on top to cross out. That 9 is really 90, so I'm going to put a 0 here and make it a smiley face because I'm almost done. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20. We're going to add these two together. You get an 8, you get a 10, a 6, a 0, and a 2. Count back 3 and put your comma. Now you have 20,608. The last one is a little different. Notice the ones place has a 0. Anytime the ones place has a 0, you can drop that 0 down as a placeholder and start multiplying with the tens place. So I've dropped my 0 down, and now I'm ready to multiply with the tens place. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Count over 3 spaces, and you've got 15,570.